Hi, I'm Ms. Vukas, and I'm a science teacher at the Academy of St. Elizabeth. Teaching at the Academy is an experience like no other. They're kind, caring students that work hard to achieve their goals. I love the excitement on their faces when I start to explain a new lab or see the hard teamwork they exhibit when we're working on a project. One of the amazing things about our lab is it gives each student the space to work by themselves at their own pace. They're able to individually work on labs, and our labs are great for group work as well. As a biology teacher, I like to bring a lot of real-world examples in my classroom since biology is the study of life. I work hard to challenge my students to think about what we're doing beyond the classroom. Why are there so many different types of trees? Why do we have so many different types of cells? How does our body effectively communicate? We also have a variety of electives that help our students explore these topics more in depth. Whether they want to learn how to solve a crime, or learn how to code, or learn about the systems of the body, we have all of that for you. Overall, my year at the Academy has been great, and I can't wait for more years to come.